Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Thursday. This is a video lesson for Everyday I'm Calculating for Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Hopefully you had a nice Wednesday. Got a little pep in your life, people, events, and places. Maybe got a little pep in your step. We're back at it. We are solving real world problems using systems of equations. And here we have a real world problem. One number is 16 more than another number. The two numbers have a sum, that means they add together, to equal 120. What is a system of equations that you could use to find the two numbers? Okay, first, let's take the first step. Okay, we're going to write an equation that would explain this. So it says one number that is 16 more than another number. Okay, so if one number, let's say it's x, would equal 16 more than another number. So you would just say x is 16 more than, let's say, y. X equals 16 plus y. There you go. Okay, so that's one number is 16 more than another number. Great. Now the other number says the other equation, the two numbers have a sum of 120. So what that means is if I have x and I have y, the two numbers, if they're add together, they would equal 120. Congratulations. You just wrote a system of equation to solve this. Now, we could certainly go through and solve this. Okay, we could rearrange this second equation so that it would be x on this side. And in fact, in your book, if you're answering along for your follow-up today, which you will, this is not listed. Instead, it's listed as y equals a value. And for the second equation, y equals a value. So let's look at this. Can we rearrange this so that y equals something? Sure, we can. Okay. How would we do that? Well, since 16 is on this side, we want to get y by itself. We're going to subtract 16 from both sides. So if I subtract 16 minus 16, it cancels itself out. And then I subtract 16 on this side. And what I'm left with is y equals x minus 16. Can we rearrange this equation so that it's rewritten as y equals? Sure, we can. The way that we would do this is we would, same thing. We subtract. We subtract, that cancels this out. We subtract x on this side. Okay? And what we're left with is negative x plus 120. So what we just did is we wrote equivalent equations now as well. Okay, so you could go on to solve this and tell me what is the value of x and y, but that's not what this question is asking. It's simply asking for you to find the expression that would solve it. Okay, and here we have it. So what I would like you to do today is I would like you to work through the independent practice pages where you are going to be solving real world problems. We just did the first one together. Work hard, ask questions. Don't forget to see me during office hours if you haven't done so already this week. I am here to help you. You also have problem of the week and IXL due at the end of the day tomorrow, Friday. I will see you back here tomorrow. Thanks, guys.